Pagkatapos ng 5 taon na relasyon na kinumpirma lamang ng couple noong 2021 ay emosyonal na inanunsyo sa isang interview ng aktres na si Maris Racal na hiwalay na sila ng former River Maya vocalist na si Rico Blanco. Ayon kay Maris ay nagkaroon siya ng pagbabago ng isipan. Hindi niya alam kung ano ang nangyari pero may mga pagbabago sa kanyang buhay na pinagdaraanan siya sa ngayon. Marami siyang tanong sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang nararamdaman, at kailangan niya itong harapin. I'm so scared cause if I announce it then it's real but yes, Rico and I are over. It's fresh. It's been few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page but I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. It was a very difficult talk, cause I love him so much and he loves me but I have so many questions about my life. And how will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me and my sense of self? It was so difficult but it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of the relationship it was still full of love, full of understanding, and Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s but I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. Ayun lang ang mahabang paliwanag ni Maris tungkol sa kanilang breakup ni Rico.